Welcome back to San Joaquin Audits. On this channel, we take a look at police interaction videos and discuss our constitutional rights. In this video, we have a business owner performing duties that he was hired to do when he is approached by multiple Niagara Falls police officers because they suspect that he is burglarizing the place he is working at. Their unfounded suspicion of burglary serves as a stark reminder of how easily misunderstandings and lazy policing can escalate into confrontational encounters with law enforcement. This incident highlights the importance of being well-versed in your constitutional rights. It's crucial to remember that while police are meant to protect and serve, we often see that they are quick to suspect and incriminate without solid evidence. Knowing your rights helps you navigate such encounters with confidence and ensures that you are protected from potential overreach. Check out this interaction and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
It worked.
The owner is looking at this though. Like, he got 45 cameras on this building.
No, I get it.
He's looking at his work. So whoever called, that's crazy as hell, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, I know y'all doing your job, but
You want to call the
I'm
owner?
sitting here working.
You want to just call the owner just so we...
No.
You don't want to?
No.
Okay.
It's a waste of time. He's looking at me.
Why don't you call the owner?
Yeah, I would call him if I...
Call the owner so you guys don't get jammed up. We got to confirm.
Confirm what?
We got to confirm that you guys work for him. I mean, if it's not a big deal, just call him real quick. Like,
What?
hey, the police got called.
I'm not putting something on somebody's window for no reason.
your ID on you?
That makes no sense.
I know that, so just call him so we can confirm it.
I'm not doing it. This is ridiculous. This is
You
ridiculous.
said it earlier. We got to do our job, right? So this
Right,
is
but
our job.
y'all, if this is a business, y'all should know how to get in contact with the owner as well, too.
What's that?
You should know how to get in contact with the owner. If this is a business, somebody says a burglary or something
So
going
you
on.
got your ID on you?
No, for what? Am I being detained?
Can I have your ID, please?
No,
We're
sir.
investigating something.
Now y'all investigating something?
Yeah, I mean...
First you said somebody called and said it was a burglary something going on.
I don't know
That's-
why you
that's
gotta be
another
so-
lie.
My man, I don't know why you got to be so difficult.
I'm not being
We're doing our
difficult.
job. You
Me
get your
too.
phone
I'm
out,
working.
filming us,
Yeah.
like, my
I mean,
camera's
because I know
on.
y'all got y'all cameras
My
out,
camera's
mine is
on as
out
well,
too.
but
All
you're
right.
kind of being like difficult right now.
I'm working, bro.
I understand.
And y'all
that.
interrupting me.
I get it. Can I see your
So
ID?
I don't need to show you my ID if I'm not being detained. I don't have a warrant or anything. It makes no
Investigating
sense.
a possible crime right now. Of a burglary.
Well, you didn't say that. You didn't say that when you first came here.
Now I am.
Well, you're contradicting yourself, sir.
I'm not here
It
to
makes no
argue
sense.
with you, dude.
I'm not here to argue with you
I'm
either.
not here to be difficult with you.
Me
I'm
neither.
doing my
I'm just
job.
doing my job.
Listen,
There's
if you
1,000
could-
cameras on this building.
Listen, if you just
So
call the owner, we can end this.
Yeah,
you guys
just
can
call
continue.
the owner.
Y'all
You're the
can
one
reach.
that's holding off your work
Y'all
right
can
now.
reach the owner. Every company, y'all can call the owner and say, "Hey, we have a burglary attempt at your establishment," and they'll come right here or they'll call. I don't need to do it. That's your job. If y'all ask who owns this building, I'm pretty sure there's a phone number down at City Hall or wherever. Y'all call him and verify that somebody's putting work on his windows. I'm gonna do this for nothing.
What kind of work?
That
you
makes no
doing?
sense. You're looking at it.
I don't know what it says. I don't know.
Oh,
Tense? Tense.
there you go. Yeah, I wouldn't just be putting this on somebody's window without their acknowledgement. That makes no sense.
Oh, no, I'm not disagreeing with you.
Right.
We're just doing our
But if
due
y'all see that's what's going on, it's the name of the company. I'm here putting this on the window.
What's the name
What
of
am
your
I
guys'
doing?
What's the name of your guys' company?
I'm talking about this company,
Yeah,
Quality Motors of
what's the
Western
name
New
of
York.
What do you work for?
I work for myself.
What's the name of your company?
Audrey Cordier. Yeah.
Do tents and stuff?
Yeah, I do everything. Tents, signs, business cards. Actually, when I call the mayor, call y'all boss. He know me. The boss.
Sound?
The mayor. Yeah, yeah. We'll call him.
I'm not going to bother.
Oh, yeah, y'all. And I ain't gonna bother the person I'm working for either. Makes sense, right? But if you call him, he knows exactly who I am.
Okay.
He'll verify who I am. If you need to, like, verify who I am.
Okay.
All right. All right, we gotta do 2 more, buddy, and be out of here. Yep, we'll do them. As long as the rain ain't hitting us.
You're going to make contact. Try to make contact with you.
There's a lot of other stuff going on in this city, man. Y'all over here doing this. This is ridiculous,
We
man.
got a call here.
There's a lot of guns, a lot of these kids, a lot of crazy bullshit going on, and y'all right here bothering me. Y'all got bigger fish to fry, man. Come on, man.
Sir, we got called to come here, so we're here.
Doing your job.
Doing our job, sir.
Y'all got bigger fish to
I'm doing
fry.
my job, right?
You got bigger fish to fry, I tell you that.
This could be
Bigger
a
fish to
burglary.
fry. Yeah, it could be. Check the doors. I'm pretty sure they all locked. Burglary. Looks like work to me. This is crazy. Right there, can't even do your job, man. Right there, harass. First somebody called, now it's a burglary. Yeah, go measure them up, man. This is crazy. You having chips on their shoulder, man. City way too small for that. So this is called a mayor, man. He let you know I'm not a burglar. You gotta be out of here.
I take you over.
Oh, y'all are? Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate that. Facebook get a load of this one. And we probably got the, yeah, it's a perfect cut too right there on half. Yeah. Yep. Mm-hmm.
You guys who work here?
Yeah. Yeah.
We're not accusing you of doing anything.
Well, I get that, I get that, but I mean,
We just
Stevie
wanna-
Wonder could see that we're working, and I don't think anybody's gonna put something in somebody's window without them knowing.
Right.
That just makes no sense.
Right.
If you agree, it makes no
Yeah,
sense.
no, I get it.
You know what I'm
Half
saying?
the shit that we go through.
And I get it. I'm a black man over here. Somebody called and said, well, he said somebody called and said, there's something going on over here, but we're working. So whoever said something's going on,
You know the owner of the property, right?
if I'm working for him, absolutely right.
So you know Mr. Solomon? Yeah.
Makes no sense. You know what I mean? I told him they can call the boss. They can call the mayor. He knows exactly who I am. He'll tell you guys you're probably wasting your time. I know you don't want to disturb him on a Sunday.
If we were to call the mayor and be like, hey, there's some guy here.
Yeah,
I'd be
actually,
like,
you know
well,
what?
Who's the guy? Like,
Look, I don't want to mess up my video. I would have called him for you. I would have interrupted him on a Sunday just for that. I got the number.
it's completely up to you. It's completely up to you. I don't.
Oh yeah, I know it's up to me. I'm just saying, it's just a.
Your guys are putting up the windows, or you guys putting up like this
Tent.
He has a business.
They haven't reached him yet.
No, they can't reach him.
Can't reach him.
Do you want to call him? Can you call him?
I already tried telling him to call him, but I don't know why.
Unless you want to get something at the trunk. All right, you too. Yep, thank you. Now they gone. This goddamn fucking faggot here got a chip on his shoulder.
So in conclusion, these police officers leave without identifying the man working or the business owner. They never really conducted any real investigation. At one point, there was 4 different Niagara Falls Police Department vehicles on scene for a man working on a window, and no real investigation took place other than asking for identification. This raises the question as to if there was ever really a call for burglary or if it was just profiling on these officers' part. Let me know what you think down below in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to Audrey Corteo and let him know I sent you over. Thank you for tuning into today's video.
San Joaquin, San Joaquin. Yeah. Gotta watch 'em. We know the way that you coppin'. We don't give no option. Camera gon' shoot in 9 minutes. Keep that rollin', no stopping. They don't know now, we gon' teach them everything. By my country, everything. This my country, every day. False conviction, you got a power addiction. We on the road, me and the bros. Telling the story so everyone know. Send them to hell, little Nicky. San Joaquin, shout out the group. We gon' show the world, don't miss it. My whole team on a mission. My eyes wide open, I see everything you doing. We gon' check the law. I know my rights like I passed the bar. I'ma make sure you know yours and all. Home of the brave, free us all. Can't do it all and we standing tall. Only real criminals behind bars. Only real criminals behind bars. Oh, excuse me, Mr. Officer. Why you wanna pull me over for? This is public.